You heard about beauty pageant, but Jamaica Festival Queen isn't about swimsuit. It's about culture. Let me tell you why this event shut the island down. Since 1963, this competition has been crowning young women as cultural ambassador of Jamaica. They are judged on their knowledge and history of Jamaica, their community project that creates real change, their powerhouse performance from singing to storytelling, and that breathtaking cultural presentation wear that use fabrics to tell our story. Listen, when festival season starts, the entire island lights up. Watch party and aunties critiquing posture like they're Olympic judge. Social media war over who shouldn't win, and parishes celebrating their queens like they just win the World Cup. Listen, winning is not the end, it's the beginning. The queens become a cultural ambassador for Jamaica, a role model for educational and community initiative. They are a living symbol of Jamaica pride and excellence. So tell me, if you enter Festival Queen, what Jamaican tradition you will showcase?